Tired of weak tools that can't get the job done? Today, we're breaking down the best heat guns that deliver serious power, precise temperature control, and real value, whether you're stripping paint, shrinking wrap, or tackling DIY projects. All the product links are in the description below, so you can easily check prices and find the right heat gun for your needs. High-powered heating tools are essential for anyone tackling DIY repairs, crafts, or professional renovation work. The Seekone 1800-watt heat gun stands out with its rapid heat-up capability, reaching temperatures up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1.5 seconds. It features two adjustable modes that control both airflow and temperature, allowing users to fine-tune performance for delicate electronics or heavy-duty paint removal. The variable temperature dial offers precise control from 50 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius, while the integrated overload protection helps prevent internal damage during extended use. Built with a durable ABS housing and an ergonomic handle, the heat gun is comfortable to hold and reduces hand fatigue during long projects. The included 4 nozzle attachments expand versatility, making it suitable for heat shrink tubing, vinyl wrapping, loosening rusted bolts, removing tiles, and thawing frozen components. Weighing just under 2 pounds, it balances power with portability. Customer feedback highlights ease of use, strong airflow, and excellent value for money. While some users note mixed experiences with long-term durability, many appreciate its fast heating and wide range of applications for both home and workshop tasks. Reliable heat application can simplify many common household and renovation projects. The Wagner Spraytech HT-1000 heat gun is designed with simplicity and safety in mind, offering dual temperature settings of 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for controlled performance. These preset levels make it especially user-friendly for beginners while remaining effective for experienced DIYers. This model includes 3 practical nozzle attachments that allow focused, wide, or protected heat distribution depending on the task. From removing old paint and thawing frozen pipes to loosening rusted bolts and shrinking tubing, it handles a wide range of applications efficiently. The corrosion-resistant nozzle adds durability, while the integrated stand supports hands-free operation and safer cooldowns. Lightweight yet solidly built, the HT-1000 is easy to maneuver and store thanks to its hanging hook. Customers frequently praise its consistent heating, versatility, and dependable performance for household projects. Many users also appreciate the long-standing reputation of the brand and its focus on safety certifications. While durability feedback varies, most agree it delivers strong performance at a reasonable price point, making it a dependable addition to any home toolkit. Precision and safety are critical when working with high-temperature tools. The Romech 1500-watt heavy-duty heat gun delivers fast heating within 1.5 seconds and offers variable temperature control for consistent, accurate results. Adjustable airflow settings allow users to match heat intensity to specific tasks, from delicate crafts to demanding repair jobs. Constructed with premium internal components such as ceramic frames, nickel chromium heating coils, and a UL-certified power cord, this heat gun emphasizes long-term reliability. Built-in overload protection automatically shuts down the unit if overheating occurs, adding an extra layer of safety. The slip-proof ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, while the self-standing design enables hands-free operation for soldering, bending PVC pipes, or heat shrinking. The package includes 4 nozzle attachments, enhancing versatility across paint stripping, automotive work, candle making, and electrical repairs. Customers consistently praise its quick heat-up, ease of use, and solid build quality. While airflow strength receives occasional criticism, overall impressions highlight excellent value, dependable performance, and thoughtful safety features, making it a trusted option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Versatile heating performance can make a significant difference in home improvement projects. The Black+Decker 1350-watt heat gun is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, including paint stripping, loosening rusted bolts, thawing pipes, and drying materials. With dual temperature settings of 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows users to switch easily between moderate and high heat depending on project needs. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, reducing fatigue during extended use. The built-in stand improves safety by allowing the tool to cool down in an upright position. A 3-position side handle enhances grip and control, offering better stability across different applications. Constructed for everyday reliability, the corded design ensures consistent power without runtime limitations. Customer feedback often highlights fast heating, ease of operation, and excellent value for money. Many users report effective results for automotive, crafting, and home repair tasks, while durability reviews are mixed. Overall, it is considered a practical and affordable choice for users seeking dependable performance from a well-known brand. Modern heat tools benefit greatly from precise digital control and enhanced safety features. The Seekone 1800-watt heat gun with LCD display combines compact design with powerful performance, delivering adjustable temperatures from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. The clear LCD screen allows real-time temperature monitoring, ensuring accuracy for sensitive or technical applications. A standout feature is the 10-second delayed shutdown function, which keeps the fan running after power off to cool internal components and extend the tool's lifespan. Dual airflow settings and memory function allow the unit to resume previous temperature and speed settings, saving time during repeated tasks. Built-in overheat protection adds another layer of safety. Despite its power, the heat gun is lightweight and 20% smaller than many traditional models, making it easy to carry and store. The included 4 nozzle attachments support a wide range of uses, including vinyl wrapping, electronics repair, paint removal, and PVC heating. Customers praise its build quality, convenience, and value, though some report inconsistent temperature accuracy. Overall, it offers advanced features rarely found at this price point. Consistent performance and user comfort are essential for extended heating tasks. The Porter Cable 1500-watt heat gun delivers strong heat output with multiple fan and temperature control options, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. Its variable temperature dial allows precise adjustments, while the dual-speed fan provides flexibility for different materials and applications. Designed with a lightweight build, this heat gun reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. The integrated support stand enables hands-free operation, ideal for bending plastic pipes or shrinking tubing. A built-in hanging hook and durable 6-foot power cord improve convenience and workspace organization. The overall construction feels solid and well-balanced, reflecting the brand's focus on durability. Customers often praise its reliable performance, noting that it compares favorably to competing models at a similar price. While some mention average lifespan under heavy use, many appreciate the strong heat output, smooth controls, and excellent value. It remains a dependable option for users who need adjustable heat with minimal complexity. Cordless flexibility opens up new possibilities for heating tasks in tight or remote spaces. The Dewalt 20-volt max cordless heat gun delivers up to 990 degrees Fahrenheit of heat without the limitations of a power cord. Its compact design makes it ideal for electrical work, decal removal, heat shrinking, and quick repairs on the go. Powered by a 20-volt battery system, it offers up to 42 minutes of runtime depending on usage. 2 temperature settings provide control, while the lock-on and lock-off triggers support both hands-free and manual operation. An integrated LED light improves visibility in dark work areas, enhancing precision and safety. Despite its lightweight build, the tool feels sturdy and well-made, consistent with Dewalt's reputation. It is compatible with standard heat gun nozzles, adding versatility. Customer reviews highlight convenience, portability, and solid performance for small to medium tasks. While battery life and airflow receive mixed feedback, many users value the freedom and reliability it offers, especially for jobs where cords are impractical. That's our list of the best heat guns. Check the links below for deals, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.